Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this baby beanie. It is very easy and fast to make. And this beanie can be matched with the booties that I have made before. Okay, let's start. These are what you need. First, we will make a slip knot like this. Grab your hook, pull up a loop, and then we will chain 30. 1, 2, 3. Keep going until you have 30 chains. These chains represent the length of the beanie. You can add more chains if you want to make it longer. Next, we will start at the second chain, but at the back loop right here. We will half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook right here, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, then yarn over and pull. This is our first half double crochet. So for row 1 we will do half double crochet 29 times. Mark your first half double crochet and then keep going. Half double crochet for each stitch at the back loop of the chains. So keep going, half double crochet until you have 29 stitches. And I'll see you again at the end of row 1. Okay, this is the end of row 1. Half double crochet. Okay, 2 stitches more like here. One more half double crochet. This is the last stitch. At the end of row 1 you will have 29 stitches. Next, we will go to row 2, turn your work, and then chain 1, half double crochet at the back loop only, right here. This is the first stitch. Usually we do like this, but for now we will do at the back loop. Okay, let's start. Yarn over, insert your hook at the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull. This is our first stitch of row 2. Mark your first stitch. So for row 2 we will do half double crochet at the back loop only 29 times. Next, right here, half double crochet, so keep going, half double crochet for each stitch, and I will see you again at the end of row 2. Okay, this is the end of row 2. And you will have 29 stitches. Okay, this is the last. Take your marker, then half double crochet, and then turn your work, and we go to row 3. Chain 1, half double crochet at the back loop only, right here. Okay, yarn over, insert your hook at the back loop only, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull. This is our first half double crochet of row 3. Mark your first half double crochet. Keep going, half double crochet for each stitch. So for row 3 until row 35, we will do the same. Half double crochet 29 times. So keep going, and I'll see you again at the end of row 35. Okay, this is the end of row 35, and you will have 29 stitches. The number of rows represents the circumference of the head, so you can adjust the number of rows according to your needs. If you need wider, you can add more rows in odd numbers. Okay, this is the last stitch. You can take your stitch marker. This is the last half double crochet. Okay, chain 1, leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn. And then pull. Okay, next we will sew the panel. As you can see, this is the end. We will mark this loop with stitch marker. So mark this loop like this. Okay, now fold the panel and bring the first row up like this. We will sew the panel like this. This is the height and this is the width. Okay, it's about 18 centimeters and the width is about 15 centimeters because it is folded, so it should be 30 centimeters. Okay, let's start sewing. So this is the first row and I will mark at this loop like this. Okay, And then this is the long tail. Take your tapestry needle and we will start sewing. Okay, this is the long tail. Please pay attention. We will sew into the marked loop. So we will insert the needle into the loops that we have marked. Okay, this is the first. We will insert the needle here and right here. So we will sew it like this. Insert the needle right here and right here. So we will sew it like this. Insert your needle at the back loop only of both sides. Insert and pull. And then insert again. Keep sewing until you finish. Okay, this is the end. 2 stitches more right here. Pull, and this is the last right here and right here. Take your stitch marker. Okay. Secure the stitch like this. Insert. Okay, so we have finished. Join the panel. So it will look like this. Okay, next we will sew to close the top of the beanie like this. We will sew it with the remaining tail. Okay, so just insert like this, in and out. So insert your needle like this, in and out. Here, evenly. Keep sewing until you find the beginning. Okay, this is the beginning, and then we pull as tight as you can to close the beanie. and then we will sew it like this to close this hole and to secure the beanie like this. Just sew it. Okay, secure the stitch like this. Insert your needle here and then pull tight. Okay. Next, hide the tail like this and then cut the tail. Okay, bring the inside out like this. Okay, tidy up. Okay, we have finished the beanie. Don't forget to hide the tail and cut it. Okay, it will look like this. And we can fold the beanie like this. And for the final touch, we will add pom-pom at the top of the beanie right here. Okay, here is the pom-pom. You can check my channel for the tutorial to make the pom-pom. Using tapestry needle, we will sew the pom-pom at the top of the beanie. Sew it in the middle, right in the middle, right here, and then tie with simple knot like this. Again, one more. Okay, and then cut the tails like this. Okay, finally we have finished the beanie. You can make the beanie in any sizes as you need. You just need to change the foundation chain and the number of rows. This beanie can be matched with any booties that I have shared the tutorial. You just need to make them with the same color. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the end of my tutorial. You can support me by liking this video, subscribe to my channel, or purchase my pattern. See you again on my next tutorial. Thank you.